Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling a L-shaped three-bedroom house plan, perfect for new base and design pros. We will crash walls, doors, windows, and layout checks. Let's design something. My teaching method is making a step-by-step explaining commands that I am using in each situation. Then some parts I will just repeating commands. So I will just fast forward them in order to speed up the tutorial. Let's start. Okay, this is the main window that appears whenever we start Autocad. To start new drawing, I am going to click here, new, then browse templates. From this list, Arcad is for imperial units such as inches. Arcad ISO is for metrical units which are meters, millimeters. So in this case, I will choose Arcad ISO. Once we open our new file, we can start editing units. We type units, then select units, left click, then the unit dialog box will pop up. In this drawing, we will use millimeters as the units on this project. So we will choose decimal here. For precision, we choose 0. That's because we are not going to use lens with the dimensions under 1 mm. And the angle, we can keep the setting kind by default. And for insertion scale, we can set the units that we are using in this file, which are millimeters. We close the window. So it's time to create new layers on this project. I'm going to click on the layout property, this icon here. Left click, the layout dialog box pops up. Right click anywhere here, select new layer with the name wall. Focal, I will keep it white. NB, the layer 0. We don't want to draw object there as this is a kind of no layer and we will just use it to create blocks. Close the window. On the status bar, we are not going to use create and snap mode for now, so we just turn them off. Activate auto mode by pressing F8 or click here, left click to draw horizontal and vertical lines. Along with that, we need the object snap mode turned on. Click on the arrow. We can switch on or off the mode we need during this project. So let's start drawing, but first I'm going to specify the current layer tools. I'm going to activate the command polyline. Left click, length is 22,000 and then width is 12,000 and 6,000 and 3,000, 16,000. Then just connect here the intersection. For the interior outline of this external walls, I'm going to use the command offset. Our external wall is 2/3 and pull inwards. So we've got our L shape. It's time to add internal walls. For internal walls, I'm going to use the offset command most of the time. I'll offset this line by 4,000. Garage length is 6,000. Then I will set 6,000. The next room is 4,000. Let's add another veranda here at the back. I will set by 1.9. Here, let's make it a dining of 4,000 length. Then we add kitchen of length 6,000. We want to trim inside our single, so I'm zooming, command trim, then enter. Then I choose this sub option, fence. I specify my first point. You see, last point, then enter. You see how fast it is. After trimming all that I need, there can be still some duplicate object. So I'll click here on the modify panel. Then find the icon, delete duplicate objects here. Then click. Then select everything. And on this window, I can keep the default options. because all the objects have same layout properties. Then press OK and all duplicate lines erased. Okay, before stepping forward, we have some deadlines to insert here. First, I use the command